Hello and welcome class 5 students. This is your very first maths class with me, Moon ma'am. I am going to take your maths class, part of the maths syllabus I am going to take, and since we are providing virtual classes and videos, so you have to follow the videos to follow the class regularly. And along with following the videos, I must tell you one important thing that please go in the description box which is given below, and you can get a link over there where we will provide a PDF of all the things, all the solved maths and all the stuffs which we will teach in the video. And if we mention about that we are going to provide sums in the PDF, please go in the description box given below, and through the link you can get the PDF of the solved sums where we are going to provide all types of sums so that you don't face any problem. And I must tell you one thing also, that is after this class you must practice all the sums that are being solved in your homework copy, and whatever homework will be provided to you through your class teacher in the group, that homework you will do in your copies and submit the copy time to time. So today we are going to start with the very first chapter of your math syllabus, that is revision of previous lesson. Now this revision of previous lesson consists of the chapters that you have already done in class 4. Those chapters in a very compact manner is given in this first chapter, that is revision of previous lesson. Now this chapter, revision of previous lesson, consists of stuffs like what are natural numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite number, place values, multiples, factors and various things like that. So today we will begin with this very first chapter, that is revision of previous lesson. So it's very easy. We will start with the natural number. What is natural number? Now natural numbers are the numbers which we use to count anything. If we count anything by 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way, we use the natural numbers. So the natural numbers are nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way, if it goes on infinitely, then it is called a natural number. But if we add 0 with these numbers, if 0 is added with these numbers, then these numbers are called whole numbers. Without 0, these numbers are natural numbers. But when you add 0 to infinite, the difference of natural number and whole number is that only one 0 is added when it is a whole number. So 0 to infinite, the digits 0 to infinite is whole number. But when you exclude 0, these numbers are called natural numbers. Again, when you include 0 in these numbers are called whole numbers or integers. So this is the concept of natural numbers and whole numbers. Now we come to even numbers. Some numbers are divisible by 2. For example, numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. In this way, the numbers which are divisible by 2 can be called as even number. But the numbers which are not divisible by 2, the numbers which cannot be counted in pairs, those numbers are called odd numbers. For example, 3. This is odd numbers. These are even numbers. And odd numbers are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Why? Because these numbers cannot form pairs. Suppose 3. There are 3 things. 2 can form a pair. But these extra is an odd one. And it remains odd. It cannot form a pair. That's why this is odd number. 3 is an odd number. Again, for example, in case of 5, there are 5 things. 2 can form a pair. Again, the other 2 can form a pair. This is the extra odd number which is not forming a pair and it is left over. So, these are not divisible by 2 and these are called odd numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. Now we come to the next thing, that is prime number. The number which is only divisible by 1 or itself is called a prime number. A number which is divisible by only 1 and itself. For example, prime number, for example, 5, 13, 11, 17, 2. These are all prime number. You can go on and on. For example, 19, 23. These all are prime numbers because these numbers are divisible by 1 or itself. There are many prime numbers. You can go on and on and on. Now we come to composite number. A number which is divisible not only by 1 and itself but also by other numbers are called composite numbers. For example, 4, 8, 6. These are divisible by itself. These are divisible by 1. These are divisible by 2. Even 6 is divisible by 3. So the numbers which are divisible by not only 1 and itself but by other numbers also, they are called composite number, which are divisible by anything. For example, if I tell you by example, for example, the number 21. This number, you will say this is an odd number. This is an odd number. Yes, it is right that this is an odd number. But being an odd number, 21 is divisible. It is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. So 21 is divisible by 1. It is divisible by 21. It is divisible by 3. Again it is divisible by 7. So 21 is divisible by these 4 numbers. So 21 is a composite number. This is called a composite number. Again 15. 15 is also an odd number, but this is also a composite number. Why? Because this is divisible by 1. It can be divisible by 15. It is divisible by 3 and it is also divisible by 5. So prime numbers cannot be divided by any other number other than 1 or itself. Prime number can only be divided by itself and 1. But composite numbers are those numbers which can be divided by not only 1 and itself but also other numbers. This is the basic difference between prime number and composite number. Now I am going to provide you a PDF along with this video. Please go in the description box, see the link and download the PDF where I am going to provide you all sorts of solved sums. So that it is helpful for you to understand the class. Along with following the video, you should also see the PDF, download the PDF so that you can get these sums. So today I have explained up till composite numbers. Next day I will come up with some other important aspects like place value, multiples and factors. So follow the class and don't forget to get your syllabus as soon as possible. I'm going to come up with more and more maths videos. Till then, goodbye.